All right, Chef Anthony here today talking about the truth about induction. Everything you need to know in one full video here. So the truth about induction is it's really a glass edge surface, but the ferromagnetic magnets underneath with a ferro-responsive pot. So two magnets coming together, creating that energy, creating that friction, and cooking amazing food. So we'll turn our burner on like this, and we'll crank this to a high, okay? Some of the features you're gonna see in induction cooking is in this 36, you're gonna see bridging. So what bridging is these two elements right here, we can turn it into a long burner for an oversized pot or a griddle. So now we have that ability. But induction is so much more than that. We're cooking at faster speeds, boiling in a third of the time faster, but we're more efficient than gas or electric because we create a burner right here to the pot. We're not wasting any excess energy or gas. So with a flame, if you turn a gas flame on, you're gonna turn it on, it's gonna go like this, it's gonna travel up to the pot and around the pot. Here, it's right around the edge. Same thing with an electric cooktop. The coils will jog on and off every 30 seconds to really heat that pan up. Now, we're rolling with a boil in 30 to 45 seconds, but this is not the amazing part. I'm taking it right now and I'm gonna bring it down from a 7 to a 6 to a 5, all the way to off. Let's go to 0 right there, okay? If I can get there. Now look at that. So that's instant on, instant off. That's the control that you need. That's the control that you lack in gas. That's the control you lack in regular electric. If this was gas, there still would be residual heat. This would still be boiling. If we were on electric, this would still be hot. Best part is, safety is key. So I take this paper towel that I had under there boiling the whole time, nice and, look, this is gonna be cool to the touch. There's still gonna be some residual heat, but not as much as you would on an electric cooktop or a gas cooktop. That turns into cleanability. So now this is a lot cleaner. This is an etched glass surface, so we need a little Windex and white vinegar to wipe this top clean with that etched glass. You know what we would do in gas? We'd be picking up a gas grate, we'd picking up the burner cap, cleaning around it. Even with electric, we would be, there would be a nice big ring on where the pot was. Here, no ring, just creates a burner to its natural environment and super nice, wipes off clean. These are just some of the great features. Let's talk about simmer, melt, and keep warm. They'll have specialty settings on every cooktop. The one I'm featuring has 3. These are dedicated low settings. So if I hit the burner right here and I hit low setting, first one that's gonna come up is simmer. So what that means is it's gonna hold this pot to a simmer, okay? Just keep it right under that boil factor. If I hit low setting again, it'll hold this to a melt. If I was using chocolate or I had a little bit of a light sauce, now I have that. Say I was finished with my sauce or finished with my chicken or finished with my dinner, I would hit the low setting again and go to a keep warm. It'll hold it to 160 degrees. So these settings on this cooktop, but other ones have half settings to where I can go at a 3.5, a 2.5, a 5.5 to really hone in my cooking and be very precise. So that's the controllability of induction cooking. So it really gives you all the tools you need to pan fry, saute, boil, and make an amazing meal. Hope you enjoyed this video.